We've got a mission. We're going to bring baby Booby Bird to the ballet. Let the mission begin! Buckle your seatbelts. Seatbelts buckled! Prepare for blast off. We need to give Rocket a lot of power. Put your hands on your lap and pat with us. Pat, 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 pat. Faster! Pat, 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 pat. Now raise your arms as high as you can and say blast off! Blast off! Hold on tight, 'cause here we go! All right!
The blue-footed Booby Birds are putting on their ballet show at home in the Galapagos Islands.
Ooh, that's far away.
Don't worry, baby Booby Bird. Rocket can get you there. Right, Rocket?
Rocket to the Galapagos! Baby Booby Bird is calling to his friends.
Oh, don't be sad, baby Booby Bird. We will get you to the ballet in time. There are the Galapagos Islands.
Way to fly, Rocket! But we don't know which way to go next.
Baby Booby Bird says we have to follow the signs to get to the show.
Do you see a sign for the show? Yes, there it is! Land down there, Rocket!
The sign says we have to go through this Eca-stone tunnel.
Uh-oh! Check out that humongous animal!
It's a giant tortoise!
And it's sleeping right in front of the tunnel!
But baby Booby Bird has to get through the tunnel to get to the ballet.
We have to wake up this tortoise.
That's a great idea, baby Booby Bird. Good thinking.